Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup look on this look right here. And this is done with the UCANBE Emancipation palette. The reason I look so pale is probably the lighting, to be honest. Like, I'm just using like my daylight lamp as like a light. But yeah, I'm going to be using this palette, and if you want to keep watching this look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyes with concealer, and I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus, and I'm blending that out just with a foundation brush. And then I'm going to put down a transition color from the Emancipation palette. These don't really have names, so it's just like that one that I pointed to. And I'm just putting that with a fluffy blending brush. And then I'm going in with this gray-brown type color in the crease, and I'm just going to put that in with this Urban Decay brush. It's like a dual-ended type brush, and this is like a grayish brown. And it's going to look a little bit weird until I get to the end of the look with the lashes and all that. I'm just buffing that out with a little bit of this yellow color. And that's the one I'm talking about. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of that to the edges of the look, just to blend it out a little bit more. And I just wanted to add a little bit of that. And I'm just layering that up until I actually like what it looks like. And then I'm putting on a brow bone type color, not from that palette, but from the contour palette I used. And then I'm going with that red color, putting that in the crease, building that up in that outer V area. And then I'm taking that dark brown and I'm putting that just in the crease, not exactly concentrating it on the outer V, I'm just concentrating it like basically everywhere. And then I'm going to blend it out with a little bit more of that yellow color. And then I'm blending the edges of the look. And I'm using that greenish type color on the center / outer area of the lid. And I'm just going to be putting that on there. And just packing that on, and I'm taking a little bit of other color and packing that right on top. And I'm blending the edges with the fluffy brush, and then I'm going to be packing on this greenish gold type color on my lid and inner corner of it, priming my face with the NYX Angel Veil, and using a stippling foundation brush and putting on the Bare Minerals Rare Pro foundation. And I have this in the color Sandstone. And I'm just buffing that in, like I said, until I have the desired coverage of everything. And I'm using that same Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer underneath my eyes and putting it down the bridge of my nose, blending that in with that same brush. And using the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in light medium under my eyes. I'm not baking or anything, I'm just like putting it under my eyes basically. And then setting the rest of my face also with that powder. And on the lower lash line, taking the colors basically that I used on the top, except for that greenish gold type color. And I know I look super pale, bronzing up a little bit here with that contour palette, because I looked extremely pale on camera. I don't know what it was, but as you can see, my face matched my body in person, to be honest. It just looks super duper pale on camera. And combing my brows out and putting on the MAC brow pencil. I don't know if MAC has more than one brow pencil, but the one that I'm using is just the skinny brow pencil. And I have that in the color Spiked. And then just setting that with a little bit of brow gel. And using this Tarte blush. It's like a nudie type blush. I don't know exactly what the name of it is, but there we go. And Becca Prosecco Pop highlighter. And I'm using this Luxie brush to put it basically the cheekbones, down the nose. And there is the finished look there's the finished eye look after I added the lashes, and I added a thin line liner at the top. And now for the lip color, I'm using this brown lip liner using Brown Sugar from Jonta Blue and Rimmel 08 lipstick. here's the finished look. I hope you guys liked this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to see more videos from me, and I'll see you guys later.